And we are back again. And this is episode 2. Ooh, no, I mean episode 2 of part 4. Episode 2 of Tornado Alley Ultimate, of course. So,
and it's only been 5 seconds after sending the other video.
Yeah. Why is my sky normal?
Mine's not! Freddy, you did.
Wait, what? Why am I... Why? Oh, there we go.
Now it's great.
Ah, God! Wait, what was that? Near 3? Seriously? And we've got near 3.
Among the roof.
No, wait. Is that near 4?
Oh, no.
Whoa! 3, of course.
Whoa!
Near 3! I will go back to my Jackadale screwed up controls. Because the screwed up controls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play badminton without seeing it.
You have an empty backpack.
I'm still surviving for my stuff. Like my goblet, a gravity coil, and that jar. And a jar with lights up. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to show you real quick. Watch this. Lights up!
Lights not up because I'm in the tornado.
I was literally always got sucked in.
I have some breakable bones.
I'm literally playing with screwed up controls. And I'm going to be playing with like this for the entire episode.
I have screwed up controls because I can't even jump a ball in real life. I just saw it.
I'm literally having
I'm so tiny now. I'm meaty. I'm tiny. I'm tiny.
You also know that you almost said...
Ah! No!
I literally back to dog it. I came back to dog that tornado thingy.
Oh, I'm broken on the tornado.
Look what I'm going to do.
Except the Macoya!
Never mind!
It killed me and sucked the Macoya.
Well, why
am
did you
that
say that like it's tiger?
Ah!
Use a goblet! What? Get it up. Get up, boys. Get it, boys. I'm usually going to get up because
I
of
didn't
flood.
survive.
Yeah.
Look at the boomy.
Ow, ow, ow.
I think it's an end.
Flood time.
Bye. But I might
It's a flood time.
But this might be loose.
Oh, great. Flood.
Okay.
Very soon. That's good.
I'm here.
This was 16 states, bang. I know what you're going to do.
It just can't say.
Can't see. Can't see. Can't see. I'm down. No.
Is it over?
Yeah, it's over.
Good, I survived.
Like you said, can't see.
Can't
Wait, actually, I'm gonna do something else.
Actually, I said can't survive.
Oh no! Ah!
This camera's shaking. You said you weren't gonna do that.
Okay. I won't do it anymore.
But we did it.
I won't I won't summon any disasters in it. Okay.
I said video games.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Second moment.
I don't know if there's something in the back of my car.
I don't know if it is, but I'm pretty sure. But I don't know. Probably. But I'm sure. It's still a low risk.
I'm gonna do something with my 4 fingers.
Wrote the map, buds. Yes, for every single.
You choose every single.
I can't choose every single.
Because you're on a
I'm
iPad.
Because I'm on a little computer.
A little baby. Listen, a little baby over here.
No, look at this. Look at this. Oh, we haven't went to this map. So, tropical bay.
I actually haven't. Where's that volcano? Volcano. No.
Dust devil.
Just devil.
Ah, God. Well, I'm not gonna like this. Probably when we get there, we'd probably say you if we don't want on a stupid map.
What if I go into the volcano?
Probably August. Wait, what will happen?
Oh, it's lava!
Yeah, lava, don't go in, otherwise you die. Like hell. Otherwise you die like in hell. And I've already found a bat. What I found? I'm just looking for loot. And I've already found a bat.
Someone's so close.
And why is this second? Like normal survivors or test.
I'm just gonna go in.
Don't go in, it'll kill you.
Yeah.
Then
Wait, it doesn't kill you.
it doesn't kill you, so you can't find in lava. I'm gonna show you again. Look, we can stand on the lava. Man,
Looks quite.
what? How can we stand? What is going on? Ah, shoot! I can't see!
But this is lava block.
I can't see the tornado. I can't see.
Oh no!
Dag!
It's there. Too big.
It's literally gone.
It's right there.
The tornado spawned on Ninja Team also. This might be what would be a good hiding spot for Hurricane?
What?
Oh God, Owen. I just saw it come for a moment.
Look, I'm in lava. I'm in lava.
I'm becoming the lava. Wait, that doesn't sound good. The tornado is here! Ah!
I wanna go in lava. Lava. I'm dead. I wanna go water. Exploding the map.
Look, and I'm soon to go back in the volcano. Ah! No, that doesn't is. That's not good.
I lightning tornado.
Oh my goodness! Don't do that ever again, Lava.
Money, do you say hello? Hello!
Let's see what we got, hurricane! And once again, we're back to a hurricane. That's a thrill. Well, we're back to the hurricane, so get in while you can, but I think Volcano will not be safe.
Look what I am.
Gangster! I don't think this
Look what I am.
safe because of
I'm my best hiding spot. Look. I'm in the opposite.
in my best hiding spot.
Look what I am.
Yuck! I can't even stand on it. But I'll stand here.
Right, stand up the lava. Just stand up the lava. Find me.
But that's good.
Find me. Oh, you are so close. I'm never. I'm both of them.
Oh, it's so increasing. Wait, is it increasing rapidly?
No one might hear.
Wait, I'm going over the
I'm on
It's only decreasing the tropical storm.
Look what I am. Look at my screen.
It only decreased the tropical storm.
Look at hurricane plus.
It's going back to one! Wait, what? Zero?
Come on, look at our pizza.
It's why did it say zero? Seriously? Saying zero?
Okay.
This hurricane's kind of weak. I know this is kind of weak. It's only going up to two, then one big tropical storm. That's funny. Oh god. My god, going up to two. I go three next. No, it's going back to one. It's going back down to one! It went back down to one. It's going back up to two? Seriously? The hurricane must be over after tomorrow. Calm down. It's lowering. That's kind of good. It isn't over! Seriously? Seriously, why is it not over? It's just rising to 1 to 2. It keeps rising to 1 and 2. Seriously? Oh, phew, it's over. Right. Phew, tornado. Now it's over. So now it's over. I'm going to say bye-bye to the here. Then we will be back in just a moment. So, even though I feel like died, that's the thing. What? For survivors? move. We've got to move. Ah, cute. It's round time. I don't have enough for that. I have to say to Finley that move button is working. I don't see anything. Still they can't move. Wait, how can Finley not move? Yay! No. Now you'll see if I shelter. It's right at the back? Seriously? Oh no! No, I need to go! I'm gonna go! I need to do up here. And I can't let my tornado frick me into the cliff. Ah! And then get in, quick! You can't move, that's a problem. Sorry, his jump button isn't his moving buttons aren't working. So we'll be back in a moment. Okay guys, so we're in a super volcano. So I don't even know if it's gonna survive or not. But I don't know what will happen in a long time. It's just shooting out a huge piece of volcano. Oh, damn it. Shooting out a million piece of damaged disaster. He got paralyzed. That's good. Quick. Oh God! It's erupting! Too bad! Ah! Ah! Super! Please stop! Oh God! Superman! Shin! A super eruption. Phew. Now it's close. Finally, come back out of my shelter. Wait, am I carrying? Phew. That was close. Phew. Only 9 died from... Wait, 9 survived? What do you mean 9 survived? What do you mean 9 survived? 6 survived from super, but pig-headed. How did we get super on a 10? Well, we got super on a full disaster strike. Come on. And Ryan might Ryan at the tap. Yeah, you know the reason. I'm the only alive person to survive. Finley! On the volcano round, I got a super! That is absolutely insane. Well, I was in the shelter, so I didn't care anyways. But, Finley, to suggest, one map should you vote? And technically, I'm going to play upstairs until you come back upstairs. You play...
Vote black.
Okay.
This is the instruction thing, isn't it?
It shows some. It shows some this for having. I see how I feel it. That's again I feel it. Freeze Nado! I got freeze like. Mom, you better not talk because I'm making a video.
She could be the hairdresser doing the hair. Give her the brush and no, but if you give her the hairdryer and she can dry the hair, can't she? She's gonna be the hairdresser.
What can you vote? I said race. That's on race one. And how I get it down.
Yeah, she will. Yeah.
tugboat purple. Ooh. Slowly.
Finley can't wait for his Lego to come in. I'm gonna check if there's any updates on it.
Finley, did you see that? The super volcano. That super volcano gets to, and you died from it, didn't you? Finley, guess what? I survived the super volcano. Finley! 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 Okay, I don't know what Finley's doing. I'm pausing the video. We are back in, and we're here trying out mega tornadoes. So, if there's anything bad just to think of, you'll be a thinker. Okay, let's see. Here comes the mega tornado! Here he comes, man! Here he comes, man! Here he comes! Here he comes! Here he comes, man. Here's the mega tornado wars, man. Okay, what the frick? I don't want to go to a corner because it's unsecurely safe now. Not safe now. Some people grabbing this fire extinguisher. This might be a good idea. Oh God. Oh God, man. Ah! This is all good. It seems no good to me. Never mind. And he survived. Yeah, okay. A mega tornado is here. Extremely high speeds. Keep away from him. so great. This is so good. No. Hello. This doesn't seem like it's exciting at all. Well, we safe, man. Then I did so fine. Oh wait, okay. Hurricane. It's a hurricane. No. Wait, but then, I saw a volcano again, didn't I? Well, don't mind me. I'm summoning it again, men. Find shelter to prepare for the incoming hurricane. There's no way to harm the map except this one. Except here. This is nuts! Okay, I don't know what to do, but my only duty is to stay here, is to make him stay here. Let me get into a safe spot. So it's only 3. Seriously? Okay, it's okay. Yeah, anyways. How many songs have I done right now? That's a good. Already about to die. I'm gonna get to this as soon as possible now. Okay, now exit my shelter. We both survived. That was easy. So we're gonna have one more round until we end the video. Oh, wait, we're gonna have like 2 more rounds until we end the video. As soon as they start like this, well, the chances are slim, but not 0 as a cut. It could possibly mean that the world will end soon, but I'm playing Mario Maker, so Ow! What is that? I'm gonna put my Nintendo Switch on sleep mode for the moment. Even though I mean volcanoes. I'm not sure about this. Okay, how many votes? Oh, Death Valley. Kind of could whack. I saw the fire extinguisher just there. Well, what's it going to be? Rain wrapped. Seriously? And rain wrap. We didn't get this last episode. But I don't know what to wear. Nothing here. Oh, I only found the fire extinguisher. Yeah, there's nothing in here. Yeah, it's only just a hole. I don't want to enter like a whole disaster in Volcano, but obviously if like a lava surge, I would be dead. My only safe spot within the Volcano disaster is only here. That's mostly the best spot. Oh wait, I found the key. This thing. Oh wait, never mind, I found the key, man. Oh, we can get to the shelter now. So oh, we need to get moving. Oh, phew. There we go. We got a spectator on the map. Okay, now we're in the map. We're on the map, and we're gonna have 2 more rounds, and then we end the video. So, I don't know why I decided to summon. So I decided to summon. Oh God. Thank God you went to EF2. See? I hope you came EF2 for some more thinking. Man, seriously, how do you think about getting this game mode? It's mainly fun. I'm literally safe so I can control Finley for the entire round. Oh Lord. But this one. And then this one. This I'm good. I mean shelter, but my players in shelter this year. If it's a super again, literally I'm really protect. I'm gonna cheese it by going in the air. I'm gonna cheese it by entering there. Yeah, it would help kind of. I may enter there in the volcano. It's about a safe spot for me. But my best spot would be most likely in the woods over here. Since no single thing can reach me here. Oh, it's coming, bro. I found the key there, but I'm very sure about words, but in those words, we only have 10 more seconds. And also, technically, I'm gonna pee for a moment. Wait, did someone just upload a video? Okay, now I'm gonna get in, unless it gets blocked by a volcano. Either I have to run a new hiding spot. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it? Oh. Oops. How could I carry you? I can't. Don't be a freaking bad. No! Okay, then. Seriously, don't do this. Where? Oh, wait, do I see it? Yes. What is it? Kia? Monkey. Didn't mention that name, but I'm gonna get into here. So, Finley will be getting into this building right here. So, pretty sure about that. Let's turn volcano mode short. Let's see what you got. He's erupting. Oh, okay, I'm safe. He's erupting, boys. Nothing hasn't happened. A mega eruption? Seriously, this isn't good. This is not good. It's literally blowing. Ah! It's keeping on going. Ah! Ah! It just keeps on going. This is. That was close. Now I can get out of my shelter. That was fun. So guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's episode 2 of 20i Ultimate. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and like the video. And hit the notification bell. If you subscribe, you'll get a shelter key. So, bye, I guess.